What's up, beautiful people? So this is going to be the first look at my son's locks. He is a little over 2 years locked, and we are going to do a quick back to school style. He has box parts. My hubby wanted them to be chunky, so I made sure the boxes were chunky. Immediately after I wash his locks, I go through with a medium, soft to medium bristled board brush, and that is going to help me remove any surface lint and stubborn buildup that's on the surface. And then I go in with a very firm small brush that helps remove some of that cotton and leftovers that's usually at the roots. So after that, I go in with a product from yours truly, from our Natural Locs line. This is a 2-in-1 product, great for after you shampoo as a leave-in conditioner and to refresh your locks. Hydrating mist. And then of course we got to follow up with the second part of the lock method, second and third, which is the oil. Hydrate, then seal in that moisture. This is our moisture sealing growth oil. It works great, smells great. Okay, now I am massaging his scalp, kind of stimulating the scalp and endorsing his hair to grow. By the way, guys, all of the products that I am using will be linked in the description box. So just like with his twin sister, you guys, I do not define his locks with the comb. I pretty much just use my hand and I go through and pull them together and retwist that way. I found out that when you use a comb to try to make defined parts, it leaves a lot of flyaways, and then you have to kind of incorporate that into the lock, and it causes problems later on down the line. So if I do need to define a little bit more like I'm using now, I just use a brush. So this is, like I said, a quick style. I'm just doing some barrel rolls. For those of you who need an enclosed tutorial, hopefully this helps you out a bit. All you do is just kind of start out by braiding the front or twisting them together, and then you're grouping all of them together, and then I incorporate all of the locks that are on the outside into the barrel roll. So if a lock, especially because his hair is wet, sometimes because I haven't dried it yet, it kind of unravels. So you can kind of twist with your hand like I'm doing now, twist it tighter so that way it's still in the shape of a fresh retwist, and you just work your way down, working from the outsides going all the way down. You guys may notice some cotton in his locks. That's a little further down the locks. You guys, don't get me wrong, I am so glad that I locked my twins' locks, him and his sister, but the hardest thing with little ones is just keeping a bonnet on their head at night. So it took me about a year to realize that I should have used silk pillows with them. So after about a year, I did transition over to the silk pillows. So if the silk scarf comes off, they have the pillow followed by the silk bed sheet as well. So yeah, that's it. I just secure with a rubber band and I set him underneath the dryer. I usually style, then sit them underneath the dryer, but I did it the opposite way this time and it worked out fine. That's it, really quick style. You guys, I hope you like this video, and until next time, bye.